Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Just thought I'd show you something that you never see on your Zontes motorbike. It's a fuel pump. They're quite intricate pieces of kit, but you wouldn't actually normally see it, and all these bits of wires and everything within a sealed unit within there. That particular arm there is the level, the fuel level, with the rubber stopper on the end of it. That's a fuel level. They just changed the filter, showing you how to change the filter, but you would never do it. Never ever do it. You wouldn't need to do it. They just have the new seal and change the filter. But just to show you that how the fuel gauge is registered within the unit, it's the long arm there with the black thing that just lowers and goes up and down, and a sensor decides on how much fuel there is in the unit. There you go. A Zontes fuel pump for you to look at. See? I show you everything. Man Mick, sign off. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.